Is it raining, William?
There's raining. Raining.
You touch the rain?
Yeah. Wow. That's a minute.
Is it raining?
Wow, minute.
More raining. Look at that.
Wow, minute.
Lots of raining.
Wow, minute.
Really?
Upstairs.
Is there an airplane?
Upstairs.
You're hearing an airplane, huh?
Yeah. Wow, minute.
You done with the rain? You want to go inside? Or do you want to play in the rain?
Wow, minute. Oh, the hell.
Did your head get wet?
The hell. Wire.
Okay, can we go inside now?
No, minute.
You want to play in the rain?
Wow. Okay.
The car. Yep, it's a car.
Hell. Wow, we need a wire. A wire. Wow, hair wire.
Your hair's all wet, huh? Okay, let's go back inside.
Wire.
You can play in the water, huh? Gonna get your head wet some more?
Whoa, hell. Ah. Daddy, hair. Wow, minute. Daddy, minute.
You gonna go outside? You gonna go out in the rain? Gonna walk out there? Go walk out to the grass? Okay, come back this way. This way.
With the big wire.
Is that fun in the water? Where are you going, William? Are you playing in the water? Let's go see what you're playing in. Oh yeah, Mommy's gonna be happy with this.
Wow, wire.
Is there water there? All right, come back this way. Oh yeah, Daddy's gonna be in trouble.
Whoa.
All right.
Wire.
Yep, that's water. Come back this way. This way. What? This way, William. Let's go, William. Child. All right, let's go. Come on.
Wow, wires.
You liking the water?
Wow.
Okay,
Wire.
time to go inside.
Outside. Big wires.
Oh. All right. Wipe the feet. And inside we go.
Big wire.
And there's the puppy. Puppy's waiting for you. Here, pet the puppy.